Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
If your iPhone loses network, start with quick toggles and a restart. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off again. Open settings to confirm Wi-Fi and cellular are enabled. Next, perform a force restart. Press volume up, press volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This usually takes about 10 seconds. After the phone restarts, wait 30 seconds before testing calls, messages, or browsing to give services time to reconnect. If toggles and restart do not fix the issue, reset network settings next. Go to Settings, General, Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings to remove saved Wi-Fi, VPN, and Bluetooth configurations. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and re-enter passwords. Also check for carrier settings update and install any available iOS updates to restore compatibility with your provider. These updates often resolve signal negotiation problems, and they take only a few minutes to download and install when on Wi-Fi. For persistent network problems, perform advanced checks before a full restore. Power off the iPhone and remove the SIM card, then reinsert it to refresh carrier registration. If you see no service or a carrier error, contact your carrier to confirm outages or account issues. You can also try connecting to another known Wi-Fi to isolate the problem. As a last resort, back up your iPhone, then restore to factory settings to rule out software corruption before visiting an Apple store or authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.